Hello everybody, this is a phonics video. It's a phonics video for people watching videos of set 2 and set 3 sounds. So today the sound we are learning is uh. Now we already know one way of making the sound We know this sound whirl and twirl. But there are other ways of making the sound Today we're going to learn the nurse with a purse. Nurse with a purse. In our picture there is a nurse with an injured teddy bear and she's wrapped the teddy bear's head up in a bandage. Nurse with a purse. And on the other side of our card we have our sound and is made up of special friends, the letter U and R. When they're together make the sound Right, we're going to play the game where I trick you. So when you see this side, say when you see this side, say nurse with a purse. Ready? Well done, very good. Okay, now I'm going to shuffle in our sounds and I want you to point when you see the sound So let's have a go. I'm going to put in the pile. My go first. You just watch me first. I, ch, or, oo, that's our we learnt, isn't it? My go again. You watch. Oi, ow, o, e, ah, sh. Did you spot it? Your go. Ready? Oh, it's another isn't it? It's not the one we're learning today. Very good. You'll go again. And one last time. Can you do it even speedier this time? Very good. Well done. Okay, now we're going to have a look at some words with our sound in. When we read the words, we're going to read them using special friends, then Fred talk, then say the word. So, find the special friends first. My turn, you watch me. S. Fred talk. S. Say the word. Purse. My turn again, you watch me. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Spurt. Spurt is when water spurts out of a tap. Spurt. You'll go. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Purse. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Spurt. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Hurt. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Burn. If you touch something that's very hot, you might get burnt. Might burn yourself. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Turn. It's your turn. And we're back to the beginning. What fantastic word reading. Give yourself a microwave. Okay, we're going to do some word reading now with sounds in that we've already learnt. Look at me, my turn first. First of all, we're going to do special friends. Fred talk, say the word. Or, ought, snort. Okay, you'll go. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Snort. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Hair. Special friends. This one's tricky. It's a split sound. Fred talk. Say the word. Nice. Remember, our k and e together make that sound. Well done. Nice. Special friends. It's another split one. Fred talk. Say the word. Rude. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Sore. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Broke. My bike broke. Broken. And we're back to snort. Now I'm going to shuffle them up. We're going to Fred in our head. Ready? So this time I look for the special friends and I say it in my head. And then I Fred talk in my head. Then I say the word and I push the word forward. Snort. Watch me again. Hair. Okay, ready? Fred in your head. Snort. Hair. Broke. Nice. Rude. Sore. And we're back to the beginning. Okay, are you ready for some speed reading? Just say the word. So speedy. Well done. Give yourself a follow-up display. Okay, we are going to have a go writing some of our words with the new sound in we learnt today. Nurse with a purse. So I've written at the top of my board to help you. You need to pause this video if you don't have a pencil and a piece of paper with you. Okay, so remember to use your Fred fingers for your spelling. First word that I would like you to spell, burn. So count the sounds. Show me. Pinch the sounds. Write it down. Burn. Next word I would like you to have a go at, burp. The boy did a horrible burp. Burp. Count the sounds. Show me. 3 sounds. Pinch the sounds. Write it down. And last word we're going to have a go at, slurp. Slurp. Don't slurp your drink. Slurp. Count the sounds. Show me. Oh, there's 4 sounds in slurp. Well done. Pinch the sounds. Write it down. Good, well done. Okay, we're going to go through those now. So, burn. Count the sounds. 3 sounds. Pinch the sounds. B, n. Burn. B, Remember, our is nurse with a purse. Burn. Let me see if I've got a better pen. I think this pen might work a bit better. Okay. The next word we were writing was burp. Ugh. Count the sounds. 3 sounds. Pinch the sounds. B, p. B, p. Remember, our is our special friends. Nurse with a purse. This pen is much better, isn't it? And our last word was slurp. Pinch the sounds. Oh, sorry, count the sounds. Show me. 4 sounds. Pinch the sounds. S, p. S, p. Write it down. Remember, our is nurse with a purse. So, give yourself a tick if you got b for burn, and n. For burp, give yourself a tick for b, and p. And for slurp, give yourself a tick for s, and p. And just make any changes that you need to. Well done, everybody. You have learnt how to read words with in nurse with a purse, and you've learned to write some words with in. So, well done. You deserve a big celebration, and I will see you soon for your next phonics lesson. Goodbye.